So data scientists are specialists who use mathematical and statistical method. So statisticians make use of statistical and mathematical theories to calculate, decode, interpret the informations. Meteorologist. So what does meteorologist do? They'll study the weather of the world. So he or she will work on the integration of matter and energy at all length and times scales. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is Shruti, lecturing in Vidhyaashram, Department of Mathematics, Mysore. So, in our previous session, I have given a brief introduction about the history of mathematics, and also we have learned need and significance. So, how mathematics have involved in our daily life. In this session, I am going to tell you about the scope in mathematics. Yes, you have a scope in mathematics too. So, let us see about the scope, that is, what are the career options you will get in your life when you study mathematics. So, the first one is, here you have a scope of mathematics. So you can be actuary, mathematician, statistician, astronomer, meteorologist, economist, physicist, engineering, market research, and other fields also. So you have taken only few examples to explain you how you will get a career option when you learn or study mathematics after plus 12 and degree also. So at first, I'll introduce to a data scientist. So as a data scientist, are specialists who use mathematical and statistical method, computer modeling, and software to extract the knowledge and information such as databases of MS Excel and SQL, structured data such as written text, images and videos. So to become a data scientist, you must have studied mathematics in your plus 12 as well as degree, so that you can create a wide opportunity as a data scientist. Next, actuary. So what does these actuaries analyze? Is they analyze mortality rates, injuries, birth rate, retirement rate, etc. So they'll figure out the probability of their occurrences and the cost associated with the event. So actuaries have to deal with the risks point, and actuaries have also to create a new policies for the people, so has to minimize the risk associated with the financial effects for the given scenarios. So to become an actuary, you are supposed to study mathematics. Next, mathematician. So in mathematician, you have two types. One is pure mathematician and one is applied mathematician. So pure mathematicians, what they'll do, they will create or they'll discover or invent more concepts, principles and theories in maths, and applied mathematician apply those things. And applied mathematicians, what they will do is, they'll apply those concepts of mathematics to solve bigger problems in economics, scientific and engineering domains. Next, statistician. You can become a statistician too if you have learnt mathematics in your plus 12 as well as in your degree. So statisticians make use of statistical and mathematical theories to calculate, decode, interpret the informations. Also, statistics is applied in the concepts of marketing field also. That is how the new goods are produced, how they can be sold in a good manner, what is the loss, what is the profit. All can be calculated and estimated if you are a good statistician. Okay, here comes a beautiful field, astronomer. Astronomers primarily use principles of physics and mathematics to understand the working of universe and contribute to research through breakthrough experiments. Next, a student who wants to pursue a career in this field and is interested and exploring the scope of mathematics can consider to becoming an astronomer. Next, meteorologist. So what does meteorologist do? They'll study the weather of the world. So whether it is sunny, rainy or any natural disaster, that is what explained by the meteorologist. So they study the physical features, motions, behavior of various processes on Earth and its atmosphere. So they are also involved in explaining, understanding, observing, forecasting the Earth's atmosphere. So other phenomena like natural disasters also can be explained, and also how the atmosphere will affect the life on Earth is explained by meteorologists again. So they also have to study mathematics as one subject to build their career again. Next, economist. If you want to become an economist, then the knowledge of maths is necessary again. So what economist will do? So economics is increasingly becoming a numerical science. So given that job of an economist is to identify problems and solutions within the requisite distribution and production of goods and services such as land, labor and raw materials. So they have to research, analyze and monitor prevailing economic conditions and predict likely economic conditions. Next is physics. The scope of mathematics is wide in every field of science, whether it is physics, chemistry or biology, etc. So one of the most attractive careers which you can become is again physicist with the knowledge of mathematics again. So a physicist is a scientist who specializes the field in physics. So he or she will work on the integration of matter and energy at all length and times scales. Next, engineer. Say hello to engineer here. So engineer is again, you require the knowledge of mathematics. So whether you are a good architect or good civil engineer, software or in any other field of computers and information science, you need the knowledge of mathematics. You can create your own career with the help of mathematics as an engineer again. Also, you should have the knowledge of technological advancement taking across the globe again. Next, mathematics or a science professor. I am a mathematics lecturer. If you are interested to pursue in a career in teaching, then you have to study mathematics as one of the subject in your plus 11, 12 as well as in your degree. Generally, as a teacher, you can teach basic mathematics. As a mathematics professor, you will be dealing with the calculus, analysis and engineering mathematics. So if you have a passion to teach, then again you can create a career in mathematics. Next, so accountant or auditor, a very necessary knowledge about mathematics. So an account, what he's do is generally prepares the files and budgets and help managers in business to execute their working. So an accounting requires a lot of number crunching. So therefore it includes mathematics. Next, so at last, if numbers impress you more and working with formulas and tables is exciting, then choose career in mathematics. So for some, maths might be, and for some, equations, square roots, theta must be their friends. So if you are inclined towards mathematics and have a passion, then you can surely create a career in mathematics. So yes, so here are few scope of mathematics which I have given. So you can create a wide opportunity by learning and studying mathematics, and you should have at least a basic knowledge of mathematics for your everyday life also. So hope you enjoyed this session. We'll meet you in the next session. Until then, take care, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.